Well, I am working on a couple of books related to what we're doing with the Work Life Company. And I think there's two keys to the first part of what you asked. The first key is when you're dealing with an audience, if you want to be an effective speaker, you have to stop talking before they stop listening. And so you have to understand what's important to them. And the way that you find out what's important to them is you have to do some kind of homework to understand who your audience is and what they're looking for. So what we do is we don't try to match what we offer to our audiences. We find audiences that match what we offer. So we don't have that kind of disappointment or the people that come to our workshops and our seminars are enthusiastic because they're getting exactly what they're looking for.